Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. In today's video I want to show you how to take down your rear wheel, so how to deassemble the rear axle, lower your rear wheel. This you could do for maintenance. If you you have a problem with your cassette, you want to change the cassette with another one, or you want to change the bearing in your rear wheel, or you're just curious. So this could be all kind of reasons, and I assume you have more reasons for doing so. So the first step is to take down the top cover, and it's important that you have the chain in the lowest gear, or the smallest gear, to have as little as tension as possible. Here in the front I take down completely the chain from the chain wheel, the front, so you have completely no tension here anymore. The second step is you have a key 19, and this is the tool we give, is available on the website. It's also, we give it to ambassadors. So here you have, there's a nut, and you can stick here in, and then you keep the 19, you keep the rear axle locked, and then you turn right, never left. It's a bit against your, normally you turn left to untight, but now you have to tight right to untight it. This is gonna go not always very easy, because there is some Loctite on the rear, on the screw, in order it cannot go loose. Let me check. So now the screw came off, and you can see there's a little bit of Loctite here, and this we have to put back on when we put back. So now I have the rear axle, and this sometimes it goes heavy and sometimes it goes really easy. It went off, the first part, it's got stuck a bit here in the rear axle, and then on this bushing, which is glued in the rear swing arm, and then it came off really easy. So as you can see, this screw was here, and then I stuck this tool here in, and I untied the screw. You can see here is an imbus, and that one was over here. And now you can see that that part of the tool comes out, and that makes that I can pull now the rear axle out. And that's the whole point of this tool. Okay, let's go on to the next step. So the next step is to take out the rear wheel. And then, because I have an 1152 on it, it's a bit tight here. So I take these bushies out. There's a plus on it. That's on the right side. And there is a bushy which is called minus. It's not on this one, but it's obviously you have a big one and a small one. The small one is on this side and the big one is on this side. I took down the chain. So in my case, I have an 1152, which is very huge, and there is limited space to get out like this, and it's even even this hole is not big enough. So I have to do, in case of an 1152, I have to do a couple of things. I have to take down the rear suspension. That's by take this nut off, take this washer off. I have to take down the rear derailleur because I cannot lower the rear swing arm with the rear derailleur on it. So that one I take down. Then I can lower the rear swing arm. And now I have space to take down the cassette. This is the way how to take out your cassette. So this was the video how to take out your rear wheel and cassette. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.